I thought I would bring you guys along for the possible markets trip today. I'm not gonna lie, it's pissing down. So the markets may not happen, but whatever happens, I'll bring you along. And I hope you enjoy it because I want to start doing these a little bit more just because I feel like it's a fun little thing that takes some time to do and that I like doing. So we'll see how this goes. Very happy that I like the nostalgia is killing me. Like, I don't even know what's gonna happen. Yeah, we ended up in Bookshop and now we're gonna head to the markets hopefully and see where we go.
Fingers crossed it doesn't rain.
Not now, not ever. Let's go. I'm just kidding. Okay, so very quickly while we're in the park. Bought this book because I got it. Can you show me your book?
This one?
Wait, come here. We got these books. Mine, I don't remember the plot, but I had it when I was really young. And as soon as I saw the picture, I was like, oh, I've read that. I want it really badly. And then 10 just likes it.
Yeah, I just like learning about the brain.
So weird. I'm not gonna judge, but like fair. Okay, let's go get cookies.
Yeah.
So the markets that we're going to has these vegan and gluten-free cookies that I really love. They're like cinnamon flavored, but they taste like a cinnamon sugar donut. So we're gonna go there, maybe get Tanya a phone charm because she keeps losing, oh my light's on. Yeah. She keeps losing her phone, which is not ideal. And then we're gonna get a Tokyo taco. I think that's what it's called. It's a sushi place that makes like, how do you explain it? It is a taco, but it's sushi. That sounds so, yeah. And then we might just check out Newtown, maybe see how the day goes. We got some new outfits. I got this new shirt which I changed into. I'll just show you, it's a bit cute. But it's from M on Holiday. Definitely recommend. And then Tanya got some new clothes as well because she has festivals to go to and crazy life to live. So I just managed to hook myself up with 6 of my cookies, didn't I, T? Kind of vibe.
I mean, I'm wearing it.
Come. Tell me, puppies. What are we getting? What are we getting? What are we getting?
Tokyo taco.
We're getting Japanese tacos. We'll update in a minute. Holy sugars. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are taste testing the taco. I'm really... Oh my god. Yeah. Really good.
I don't know how I'm going to find it. Okay, yeah.
How good. My goodness, that was so good. 10, how many? Yeah, I agree. We're done for today. We're gonna go home to bed. Bye.